everyone, and welcome back to the Link Kitchen. Today we are making holiday gingerbread cookies. So what we need is 2 1/4 cups flour, 1/2 cup maple sugar, melted butter, 1/2 cup molasses, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg. The most important ingredient, 1 tablespoon of Empowdered, just to add an extra dose of fruits and veggies. Blend everything together on a very low speed until everything is well mixed. I'm going to take saran wrap, cover the bowl, and put it in the fridge for 1 hour. I just took out the dough from the fridge, and I'm going to flour my cooking board. Take half of the dough, flatten it first to about 1/8 of an inch thick. I'm going to use the gingerbread man. On a well-oiled pan, we're going to add the shapes. And then with the excess dough, roll it again, flatten it, and make more shapes. Preheat the oven to 350. Keep them in the oven for about 8 minutes. And then we'll decorate. So I am now going to take the cookies out of the oven. Let's start.
Okay, so first step in icing is the egg whites. A little bit of vanilla. Add the egg white. Ta-da!
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Follow us on our channel. Share our channel, these recipes with your friends, and see you next week. Oh, we have to taste it.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Let's do that. I love gingerbread cookies.
Very good, and they're soft.
They're like hard on the outside, and like they're not like super hard.
Yeah,
They're perfect.
Very good. Happy holidays, everyone.
Happy holidays.
So I'm going to now take the cookies out. I think it's too much molasses. So after they cooled off,
Sorry, I just knocked it.
Oh yeah. After they cool off.
how am I supposed to spread the flour out? I never bake. Yeah. Okay, so once they're cool,
Once they're out of the oven and we cool them off, like I'm the cook and I did the housekeeper.
Rolls, it doesn't stick to the. You can do that.
Oh my.